Hello there. I built a new PC build recently. It has a Intel CPU and 3060 Ti GPU. And yes, the power supply is missing there because I think there is a problem with the power supply. I tried to start this PC with power supply. It is constantly rebooting and restarting the PC. I tried to disconnect everything, the SSD, the graphics card, the RAM, and yeah, it's still restarting after roughly a minute. So here's my old system. It was working just fine with my old power supply. There it is. It's non-modular. It's 500-watt power supply, and I just wanted to test the power supply and installed this in my old system. And when I start this, you will see what happens. Let's turn this on first, and so it is running. It's yeah, normal, and we have to wait just a bit. So you can see the fan is spinning, the graphics card fans are spinning as well, the light is on. Yeah, and now it shuts down. So yeah, you can see the light is off, fans stop spinning, and yeah, I don't know. I thought this is EVGA Supernova 650 GTA, and yeah, it is 80 plus gold and has every security thing there. For example, OVP and UVP and other things. I don't know them all. Yeah, in this system it is just shutting down the system, but in my new one it restarted the system. I thought it could be my CPU or my motherboard, but I am able to get into the BIOS, so I have no clue. I want to try to install my old power supply there. Yeah, I already ran that system with the old power supply. It is it has enough power. It has 500 watts. It's recommended for the 3060 Ti to have 1600 watt, but I will just try to use it to make sure it's the power supply for real, so for sure. So okay, I installed the old power supply into my old system, into my new system. There it is. And yeah, let's try to run this now. I didn't run this before, so I don't know if it's going to work or no. So let's see. Okay, it runs. There's the light. The fan is spinning. The other fans are not spinning because they are not plugged in. Let's see if this restarts. So it has been about a minute now. Yeah, and it looks like it works with this one. It works just fine. So yeah, okay, I think it works. It has been already over 1 minute. So let's just turn this off. Okay, I really don't know what is the problem with this power supply. I thought it has a good quality, it has a 7 years of warranty. Yeah, and what should I do? Should I send this back and order a new one? Or is it rare that these power supplies fail? Or I have no clue. I am not into these computer things, and yeah. So I can tell you more details and it will make it sound more stupid for you. Actually, I built this not just right now, I built this back 3 days or 2 days. And yesterday I was rendering on this one all the time. All the day it rendered just fine, it worked just fine with this power supply. And now it is just restarting. I turned the PC off at night, and then in the morning I wanted to turn this on again with this power supply in it, and it just refused to work properly. It was stuck in a restarting loop. Yeah, so I have no clue. The first time when I was trying to turn this on, the new system with the new power supply, it turned on. I got into BIOS, and then it restarted. Then I inserted the USB stick with Windows on it, and it restarted again. I didn't restart it. It restarted it at his own, and then it started to downloading Windows, and I installed it, and then it was just fine. It didn't restart or anything. It was working just fine. And so yeah, I don't know if you know anything about this. Please help, because I am confused. I think it's rare though, wait, because okay. So yeah, this is it. If you know anything, yeah, you could help me. I would appreciate that. So, okay.